Alright, bud, I got you fixed up here. It's your 4-pill 400HD-HG-4PILL SSB by CW. We started out radio drive straight through SWR. This is your SWR going straight through the box. Hello, audio, none. 734 watt drive. Turn him on. Input SWR. Hello, audio. Almost nothing. Hello, really? Your SWR wasn't that bad? Right there's SWR in front of the Cobra. Let's see, just out of curiosity. So I'm gonna calibrate it over. Get it over here. That's good to go. But really SWR wasn't that bad. It kind of made me think you may have had an output SWR climb caused it to show up on yours. But anyway, I took the input tune quiet, throw it in the garbage, replaced it, and fine-tuned a little bit more. So here you go, 1, 2, radio drive, radio drive, radio drive, radio drive. Alright, we're gonna hit it with the driver. Here's with 80 watt drive, 80 watt drive, 80 watt drive, 80 watt drive, 80 watt drive. Here's the couple 100 watt drive, couple 100 watt drive, couple 100 watt drive. Oh, audio, 1, 2, I was checking the output reflect. Here's your input SWR driven, it's actually lower, so man, that's just like, that's perfect. That's the best you're gonna do. But we'll get her back to you. Get with you, man. Catch you later. Thanks for business. Thanks for being patient. Give me time to check it out. Your friend Tim, 018 Beavis. Catch you later on. Bye bye.